aware that our boiler was coming towards the end of its life, and we wanted to look at some more alternative energy sources for our home. We live in a 90-year-old house, and from things that we'd read online, a heat pump didn't really seem as though it was a viable option because of the house not being very airtight. But then I came across Aira online, and I really liked the ethos of the company and it aligned with our environmental views. We're glad that we were able to upgrade our boiler before the winter. The Aira system is completely automatic, so we don't have to do anything with it at all. Before, with our gas boiler, we were having to constantly tweak the thermostat, whereas now we've got a consistently warm home, we're doing our bit for the environment, and we're going to save some money at the same time. We were visited by Aira's clean energy expert, Emma, who talked to us about the whole system and what would be involved and how they would handle all of the paperwork for the boiler upgrade scheme, and we were given a quote there and then. I'm a graphic designer by trade, so the look of the heat pump was important to me. We spent years developing the feel and flow and look of our house, so we didn't want to compromise on the heat pump. The Aira heat pump is the best one that I've seen. Its modern, simple Scandi lines will look timeless in years to come, and it really goes with the aesthetic of our house. I was able to take advantage of the government's boiler upgrade scheme and get £7,500 off the cost of my heat pump. Aira took care of the whole process and filled all of the paperwork in for me, so it was a very streamlined, easy process for us. When the install team arrived, they were really respectful of our home. They covered the carpets over, dust sheets down. They went through, fitted all the system, changed all the radiators, and then before they left, they explained how the app worked and how the system would work. The Aira heat pump is completely automatic, so we don't have to do anything at all. It's great being in a comfortable, warm home. The whole process from start to finish has been hassle-free. I'm very happy with my Aira experience and would have no hesitation in recommending a heat pump from them to anybody looking to upgrade their boiler.